In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a responsive portfolio website landing page using single file HTML and Tailwind CSS with Claude. We'll go through a simple workflow that starts with generating the code, then reviewing the result, refining it with a few useful additions, and finally exporting the finished file so you can open it in your browser. This is a great approach if you want a fast way to build a polished landing page without setting up a complicated project. To begin, open Claude and enter a clear prompt asking it to write code for a responsive portfolio website landing page using single file HTML and Tailwind CSS. The phrase single file HTML is important here because it tells Claude to place everything into one file, which makes the result much easier to save, test, and edit later. Mentioning Tailwind CS also helps guide the design toward a clean, modern layout that responds well on different screen sizes. Once Claude generates the page, take a moment to review the live preview in the Artifacts window on the right side. This preview is useful because it lets you immediately see how the design looks and behaves without needing to copy anything yet. As you review it, pay attention to the structure of the page, the spacing, the typography, and how the layout adapts to different screen widths. This step helps you decide what's already working and what still needs improvement. After that, ask for specific additions or refinements. For example, you can request a functional contact form and a dark mode toggle. Being specific is the key here, because the clearer your request is, the more likely Claude will return something usable and close to your goal. If the first version is good but not quite complete, this is the stage where you shape it into something more practical and feature-rich. When you're happy with the final result, copy the complete code from the artifact window and paste it into a file named index.html. Make sure the entire code is copied from top to bottom so nothing is missing. Then save the file and open it in any web browser. This lets you test the landing page locally and confirm that everything appears as expected. At that point, you'll have a working responsive portfolio landing page built from a simple prompt, reviewed visually, improved through follow-up requests, and exported into a browser-ready HTML file. This process is quick, beginner-friendly, and a practical way to turn AI-generated code into something you can actually use.